Hello, family. Good afternoon. So, did you know buyers are often making decisions about a home before they ever schedule a showing? I'm Syres with Aergenix, and I'm here at another listing in the Philadelphia area to talk about one tool that's helping properties stand out online, iGuide. First, buyers can explore the property 24/7 from anywhere using an immersive virtual tool. Second, iGuide includes detailed floor plans and room measurements, giving buyers more confidence before they visit. Third, serious buyers spend more time engaging with listings when they can fully understand the layout. Fourth, out-of-town buyers and busy professionals can narrow down their search without wasting time on homes that aren't the right fit. One question I hear all the time is, does a virtual tour replace an in-person showing? The answer is no. It helps buyers become more informed and more interested before they walk through the front door. In today's market, listings with better visuals and more information often create stronger engagement online. If you're a realtor looking to elevate your listings or a homeowner preparing to sell, let's talk about how iGuide can help showcase your property. Follow Aergenix for more real estate marketing tips and local market updates. Have a good day.